Hello, biology class. We are reviewing part A of Lab 25, which is the bony fish. We're going to start on page 151 and fill in those answers. Number 1, what is the purpose of counter shading or the dual coloring of the fish? We talked about this in class a little bit. The counter shading aids the fish in camouflaging against its predators. If the predator looks at it from above, the darker color on the dorsal side makes the fish blend in with the deeper color of the water. And if a predator looks up from the bottom of the fish or under the fish, the lighter color helps it blend in with the sun shining with the lighter water, the lighted water up on top. And this is how the manual, the answer key, states it. The counter shading aids in camouflaging the fish, protecting it from its enemies. Being darker on the dorsal side would make the fish blend in with the dark depth of water below it to any predator looking down on the fish from above. Any predator looking up on the ventral side of the fish would see the lighter color, making it blend in with the lighter surface above. You can word that answer any way you would like to in your manual. Number 2, does the fish have a lid on its eye? Why or why not? We talked about this in class. The fish does not have an eyelid because it's unnecessary. Eyelids keep the eyes moist, and there's no need to keep fish's eyes moist underwater. Number 4, what does the operculum cover and what is its purpose? The operculum covers the gills, and it's a protective covering because the gills are very fragile. And number 5, this is filling in, labeling the fish. I'm going to move it over a little bit because it's hard to see on my screen here. It wants to know where the mouth is. Oh, I'm going to move the fish over so you can see the mouth. The mouth is here. We identified that in class. The nostril, the eye, the lateral line, which was very obvious in class in the fish, more obvious than in our picture. The anterior dorsal fin, the front one. The posterior dorsal fin, the one toward the back. The caudal fin is, of course, the tail fin. The anal fin is back toward the anus. The pelvic fin is in front of that. And the pectoral fins are on each side. And did we do the operculum already? The operculum is over the gills, and then we're back to the mouth. So make sure that's labeled on your page, and you're good to go. We did a good job today. I enjoyed it, and I look forward to getting more into the interior of the fish next week with you.